Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your subscription from Hulu to Netflix, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Hulu website. Log into your Hulu account using your credentials. Next, navigate to your account settings. Locate the option for subscription management or cancellation. If you currently have a bundle with other services, note that you may need to cancel that bundle. Follow the prompts to cancel your Hulu subscription. Once your cancellation is confirmed, make a note of the end date of your Hulu access. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Netflix website. Create a new Netflix account if you don't already have one. Select your preferred subscription plan. Enter your payment information as prompted. After completing the payment process, you will gain immediate access to Netflix. Now, browse through the Netflix library to discover shows and movies. If you were following a specific series on Hulu, search for that title on Netflix. Add your favorite shows to your Netflix watchlist for easy access. Take some time to explore the recommendations based on your viewing preferences. Enjoy your new subscription and happy streaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.